Parliament is made up of groups, similar to political parties in national legislatures. There are currently 7 groups in Parliament, plus 57 non-attached or independent members. A group needs at least 25 members from 7 different EU countries. The European People's Party has been the largest political group in Parliament since 1999. Following the 2019 elections, the EPP has 182 seats. Manfred Weber leads the group.
Priorities are clear. We are the party who wants to have strict and strong border control, with a readiness to help people who really need our help. We need fair trade agreements, so a global dimension is for us important. And as a third element, we want to create jobs inside of the European Union, because especially young people cannot have a future without jobs.
S&D is also known as the Progressive Alliance of Socialists and Democrats. Irache Garcia Perez chairs the second biggest group of the parliament after the EPP. They have 154 seats from nearly all EU countries, aside from Czechia and Ireland.
El grupo de socialistas y demócratas quiere trabajar y comprometerse con una Europa abierta, con una Europa solidaria, con una Europa diversa y justa, con una Europa de las oportunidades a la gente joven, con una Europa que reduzca desigualdades. Ese es el compromiso de nuestra familia política y durante estos 5 años vamos a trabajar pensando siempre en la ciudadanía europea y en cómo mejorar la vida de los hombres y mujeres de Europa.
108 members of parliament are gathered under the new Liberal and Democrats group, Renew Europe. Dacian Cholos leads the third biggest group in the parliament. Their members come from 22 EU countries.
So our group is a group in the center of the European Parliament, strongly citizens-oriented, defending values as freedom, individual rights, prosperity in Europe, sustainability in Europe, and a balanced economic and social development.
The Greens European Free Alliance, or Greens EFA, is a coalition of 4 parties led by Philippe Lambert and Ska Keller. They have 74 members and focus on
une société plus juste, une société plus durable, une société plus démocratique. Ce sont les 3 axes, les 3 fibres de l'ADN de l'écologie politique, et en fait vous ne pouvez pas les séparer.
Identity and Democracy, also known as ID, is a new group in the European Parliament. Set up after the 2019 European elections, they have 73 members. Their chair is the Italian Marco Zanni.
Our motto for the next 5 years and for the EU cooperation will be let's do less together but better, and trying to finally show some concrete and positive result on our common policy to our EU citizens.
The European Conservatives and Reformists, or ECR for short, has 62 members from 15 EU countries, making it the 6th group in Parliament. Richard Legutko co-chairs the group with Raffaele Fitto.
La difesa e il ruolo degli Stati nazionali, il ruolo del Parlamento, il rapporto con i territori è fondamentale, e questo è uno dei punti fermi del nostro gruppo, anche perché noi siamo eurorealisti, non vogliamo sfasciare nulla, ma al tempo stesso siamo convinti che così come le cose sono andate fino ad oggi vanno assolutamente male e bisogna cambiare profondamente questa Europa.
The European United Left Nordic Green Left, or GUE NGL for short, unites 41 members from 4 smaller parties with similar political agendas. Martin Schierdewan and Manon Aubry co-chair this group.
Die GUE NGL ist die linke Fraktion im Europäischen Parlament, die linke demokratische Opposition hier im Haus, die für soziale Gerechtigkeit, für Friedenspolitik, für eine gerechte Handelspolitik und für humanitäre Menschenrechte steht.
The groups will debate, scrutinise and shape European policy for the next 5 years.